Shake your shaka. Yeah. Yeah. Are you a Hawaiian baby? Yeah, you're a Hawaiian baby now. And can you do this? Did you fart? What do you say? What do you say? Say, excuse me. Goodness sakes, Hayden. Say, excuse me. Should follow. That's enough. One down. I'm trying to fart. What's yours? You hurt your finger? You hurt your finger? How did you hurt your finger? Did you bite it? That's what happens when you put it in your mouth. I'm sorry. It hurts. You shouldn't put it in your mouth and then you won't bite it. Right? Right. You wanna watch some more Hayden videos? Right there? That's right. You wanna watch some more of them? Okay.